Open up, Nut.
Oh, yum! A walnut. I love walnuts. I'll just open this right up. Oh, Ben! Definitely a hard nut to crack. Very definitely. Oh, Ben! Oh, that was a step in the wrong direction. First, I can't open a walnut. Next, it will be a can of beans. And without beans, there'd be no Franks. And with no Franks and no beans, there'd be nothing to eat around the campfire. And that would be terrible, terrible, terrible. Ow! Nuts! Okay, I've got it. Tickle, 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 tickle. Open up. Huh. There's more than one way to open a nut. Definitely, definitely.